Y'all, this is a slime video and we're gonna be selling one fidget spinner. The flies are gonna eat me.
Okay, here's the fidget spinner. And it's another color. So I'm gonna sit it over right there. And there's the slime.
I remember when I had some slime, I had put it all over my controller. A whole bunch of it, and I put it all over my controller. And it was hard to get it off.
She was talking to Bar.
Bye, guys.